As we know, central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. These vital structures are extremely delicate and need constant protection. That protection is provided by three membranous coverings which are collectively called meninges. Together these layers cushion, support and safeguard the brain and spinal cord from mechanical injury. As I mentioned earlier, meninges are the protective coverings of brain and spinal cord, arranged in three distinct layers. The innermost layer is pia mater and the outermost layer is dura mater. In between these two layers, there is another layer which one is the middle layer, and this layer is called arachnoid mater. You can easily remember them with the help of this mnemonic over here, pad, starting from inner layer moving outward. So this over here is pia mater. This one is delicate and richly vascular membrane that closely counters the brain. Next comes the arachnoid mater. This over here is arachnoid mater. This one is thin, transparent, wave-like layer that lies in the middle. And finally, this over here is dura mater. Dura mater is tough and it provides a strong mechanical support to brain as well as the remaining two layers of the meninges. So, remember, pia mater, arachnoid mater and dura mater together form protective pad around the central nervous system, which comprises both brain and spinal cord.